Hi, today we're going to show you the routines feature available in your Arlo mobile app. Let's get started. From the routine screen, you can modify the settings of the arm away, arm home, and standby modes, as well as set up automations. Select the mode. Next, select the device. Then choose the features you would like to change for the device. With the automation feature, you can choose for modes to be turned on or off based on either a set schedule or your location. To set up an automation option, select Automations. Next, select Add an automation. Select either Add Schedule or Add Arrive Leave. Follow the directions to set up.
If you need more help or have any questions, visit us at gopioneer.com/support.